Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can enable the hotspot from your laptop or over your Windows PC, and you can do it only if you have a Wi-Fi availability over your Windows or over your desktop or laptop. Now in order to do it you can directly use your device as a router. Now in the control panel you can see here you can get the control panel. Here you can see multiple options, and if you cannot find the hotspot option, just simply scroll down a bit and you can see a option will appear right in front of you which says mobile hotspot. Now it will enable the hotspot for the same Wi-Fi that you have been connected, and you can see the IP address will enabled right in front of you. Now the sharing has been enabled and you can connect, yeah, the hotspot through your other devices as well. So by this method you can easily enable and use your device as a mobile hotspot. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.